Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. And today's video, I'm gonna unbox this Honor Pad X7 8.7 inches. If you guys haven't watched my previous video, which is the Honor X9D 5G unboxing and hands-on video, go check that out if you want to know more about this phone. It comes together. If you purchase this phone during the pre-order period, you will get the tablet for free. It's a very good deal. But now you don't get this anymore because the pre-order period is finished. This tablet is a budget tablet made by Honor, obviously, priced at 499 ringgit. So it's an affordable tablet for entertainment, like watching videos. But playing games, you can play some low graphic intense game, 2D game. But for highly graphic intense game, I don't recommend you guys to do it because this tablet, it comes with a really old Snapdragon 680 processor. Yeah, it says here Snapdragon 8 cores chipset, but didn't mention the model because the model is pretty old, 4 years old, right? It launched back in 2021, so it's an old processor, 6 nanometers technology. Yeah, phone nowadays, mid-range phone comes with 4 nanometers chipset. So I don't blame them because they need to find a way to cut corner, to save, and to come out with such a affordable price tag, right? It comes with a 7020 milliamp massive battery, 8.7 inches eye comfort display, 90 Hz and 16.7 million color screen. And of course, like I mentioned just now, the Snapdragon 680 processor, 8 cores, old processor. Now, what else? Information about the RAM and storage configuration. Honor Pads X7, color gray, 4GB RAM, and 64GB of storage. Without further ado, let's unbox it. I have my trustworthy cutter here. Been using this for many years. Right, cut it out. Be careful. All right, lay it out. Shake it, shake it. Why is not falling out? Okay, let's try to. A bit tight. Yeah, the box is a bit tight, so you have to shake very hard for the tablet to come out. Yeah. All right. Nothing here. Pretty solid box. And okay. Oh, there's a tab here. Oh, didn't see that. Oh, what? I just accidentally pressed the power button. Wow, why is so sensitive? Wow, this is quite a heavy tablet. Yeah, I know it's 8.7 inches, but this is weight at. Okay, I accidentally pressed stop recording. All right, I was saying this tablet is weighed at 365 grams. Whoa, chill. Why the tablet start talking? All right, kind of heavy, and it seems like it doesn't pre-apply the screen protector. You need to apply by yourself, unlike the Honor X9D, which comes with the pre-applied screen protector. No free case, and there's nothing here, and there's 3 boxes over here. Let's put the tablet aside first. Check it out what's inside the box. This one is huge, but it feels empty, and it comes with the SIM eject 2, but there's no SIM card. It's use it for the micro SD card, and it's pretty empty, right? There's nothing inside besides the warranty card and the quick start guide. I guess they make it this big is to support the tablet itself, right? As a base, yeah. But maybe give us the free earbuds, earphones, something like that. It's such a waste, right? With just 2 pieces of paper. Okay, this is, I believe, the cable. Yeah, it must be. Check it out. All right, it's a cable, USB Type A to USB Type C cable. 1 meter, normal rubber cable. Nothing special, no special treatment there. It's not nylon or braided something, nothing. with this price. You're not gonna get that. Oh, okay. Oh, so you open like this. All right, and you get this really small power adapter, which is only 10 watts of charging speed. 10 watt. We are living in 2025. Honor, can't you just give us at least 25 watts? I know you want trying to save some money, cut costing, but 10 watts for a tablet is gonna take some time to finish charging. At least like 4 to 6 hours, I guess, because this is 7020 milliamp battery. Yeah, so it's gonna take some time to finish charging. Yeah, no wireless charging, no NFC. See the tablet itself. On the right hand side, you have the volume rocker, volume up, volume down, power button, which is very sensitive, and the SIM card slot. No, chill. What's going on? Why does it keep starting the voice thing? Yeah. Oh my goodness. So I figure out what's going on right now. So apparently the shortcut just now was the volume button, and I accidentally pressed it maybe, and then it's activate the talk back feature. Right. Okay, back to the topic. I was saying this is a micro SD card slot, not SIM card slot. Okay, the bottom part, you have the microphone, USB Type-C, the speakers. On top, another side of speakers and microphones. Same thing. They always do this. Stick this stickers about the serial number. Wow, this is really hard to take it off. Unlike the phone. Oh my goodness. Why? Honor, why you guys do this to me? Like, this is so hard to take it off. Unlike the phone, the X9D is super easy to take it off. The bag is made out of aluminium. Maybe that's why it's so hard. It's ugly. Oh man. You guys get what I'm saying? Look at that. The residue of the stickers. Like, this is annoying, man. Honor, you can do better, man. Because at the back, you have one camera. The top one looks like a camera, but it's not. Look at that. Lol. There's one camera only. 8 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, autofocus, HDR, but without LED flash. Right, so you cannot use this as a torchlight or something. Okay, hit next, start. Wi-Fi, I'm gonna set it up now. I'm not gonna show you guys my Wi-Fi names. Alright, just connected to my Wi-Fi. It's gonna take some time to finish setting up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you guys some spec of this tablet. The display is IPS display LCD, not AMOLED. The resolution is slightly above 720p, 800 times 1340 pixel, and it's 179 pixel per inch. Pretty low resolution. Yeah, it's not even 1080p. But then once again, this is a budget tablet, and the screen brightness can go up to 625 nits peak brightness, and this is a 90 Hz display. Alright, don't copy. Okay, so we gotta keep our expectation realistically, right? Cannot hope too much about this tablet because of the price. Okay. Alright, sign in later. Yeah, I'm gonna skip it for now. Set up a pin. Alright, sure. Let me set it up. Okay, hit continue. Okay, all the services. I'm not gonna send data. Show more. Alright, accept. Terms and condition. Yeah, the usual stuff. Okay, I have carefully read. Yeah. Nobody actually read the terms and condition agreements or whatever. Yeah, next. Right, so we are in. This is running the Android 15. Right. Wow. It's surprisingly there's no bloatware. I don't see any like pre-installed third-party apps like Facebook, LinkedIn, Booking.com, etc., TikTok, whatever. Right, unlike the phone, the Honor X9D, it comes with tons of preloaded apps, like bloated apps. But this one, Nothing. It's pretty clean. Wow, I like it. What a surprise! This thing cost like 499 ringgit, and it didn't come with like bloatware. Yeah, kind of surprised. And the user interface pretty stock Android-ish. Yeah, click the okay about. Oh my bad. So it doesn't come with the Magic OS 9 skin on top. Yeah, I don't see the skin, the name of the skin or anything. So pretty much a stock Android experience. I like it. I like it. I don't like custom skins that much. Okay, this is the multitasking. I'm pretty sure you can set the way you use the tablet in a gesture mode instead of this button mode. Okay, system. Yeah, gesture navigation mode. Gesture navigation. All right. Okay, there are some like slight delay and a bit of lag here. Yeah, I can feel a bit sluggish. Yeah. Okay, no thanks. I have to give props to Honor for using aluminum back and aluminum frame for this tablet with such a affordable price tag. Yeah, usually this price maybe they can even save more budget by using a plastic build, but it's not the case here. Using the aluminum, so it feels really premium. The downside is a bit heavy, but I'm fine with that because it feels really good. You know, curve out the corner so it's easily hold on your hand. It won't cut into your palm or something, right? It feels comfortable to carry around. Solid build quality, not bad. Okay, let's test the camera. It has a 2x zoom for video, same as the photo, 2x zoom. Video recording can record up to 1080p 30 frames per second or 720p 30 frames per second. We have night mode for photos, and what else? More. Okay, let's see more. You got time lapse, QR code scanning, and document scanning. There's no dual mode recording. Yeah. And for front facing camera, hello, it's 5 megapixel, right? Can shoot. Okay, you can choose high, but I don't see the video resolution for the front facing camera. It comes with a front, okay, so using the screen as a flash, and that's about it. Filter, some basically it's just basic camera setting. Okay, right now I'm gonna do just a simple speaker test. Comes with dual speakers, so let's play to the highest volume and see how its speaker perform. Right, so that's about it, guys. Just an unboxing and hands-on video here to show you guys what the tablet looks like. I will be sure making a review video of this hopefully soon. And thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below. Tell me what do you think about this tablet, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.